Hi, I'm attorney Melissa Bauer of the Law Office of Scott David Stewart. In this video, I'm going to discuss an overview of the Arizona Child Support Guidelines. These guidelines have been established to create a certain sense of uniformity and streamlining for child support issues. The court assumes that each parent has a legal obligation to financially support their children, and the guidelines were implemented to provide an order requiring the parents to financially support the children. In determining a child support amount, the court looks at four main factors to apply the statewide guidelines. The first factor is the parents' incomes. This factor can simply be gathered if parents are W-2 employees earning a consistent wage or salary. It is often more difficult if a parent is self-employed, has commission income, or varying income. This requires special and careful evaluation on a case-by-case basis. One common issue is where a parent is unemployed or has been a stay-at-home parent for some time. It is assumed that every parent is capable of working a 40-hour-per-week job at least a minimum wage or at their earning abilities. However, the court will consider evidence to the contrary, such as the parent is disabled, has a child with special needs which prevents the parent from working, or if the parent is engaged in schooling to obtain gainful employment. This analysis is also on a case-by-case basis. Income also includes any spousal maintenance paid or received between the spouses, payments from trusts, annuities, or other non-traditional income sources. It does not include TANF, support received by a parent for a child of another relationship, Social Security income for a child, adoption subsidies, etc. The second issue is how much a parent or parents pay for the child's health insurance premiums. This factor is to not include anyone other than the child's expense for health insurance. The third issue is how much a parent is paying for the child's daycare expenses. The fourth issue is how much ordered and/or exercised parenting time the non-custodial parent has with the children. A common misconception is that the parents share equal parenting time, that there will be no child support ordered. This is not always the case. It tends to be true where all other factors are equal. For example, the parents' incomes are the same, and the remaining factors are also equal. This rarely happens in my experience. However, it is a correct statement that the more parenting time the non-custodial parent has with the children, the less child support would likely be. However, again, this is dependent on the other factors in the calculation. There are a plethora of other nuances and issues that a particular family may have that affect the issue of child support and the application of the guidelines. Other issues that are not as regular are a child with special needs, children not common to the parties, split custody, and other extraordinary expenses. After the factors are plugged into this formula, a child support obligation is presented to the obligor parent. The parents may decide between themselves that it would be a good idea to deviate from the guideline amount, provided they set forth a reason for doing so. Deviations also occur when the combined monthly income exceeds $20,000. While the intention is to streamline child support to make it more uniform and predictable, nuances may exist. If you want more information on child support or any other family law matter, please contact us for a consultation.